How to open a waste paper collection point from scratch. Payback calculation. Receiving waste paper as a business. Studying the market. The easiest way to earn money is to collect raw materials plus transfer them to processing plants. Cardboard and newspapers are handed over. Private persons, state institutions, commercial enterprises, offices, restaurants, shops, supermarkets. Unfortunately for the newcomer, dozens of more agile competitors are engaged in the collection of waste paper as a business in cities. They have long signed contracts for the removal of recyclable waste and are not going to share a niche. Therefore, you will have to work hard to find your own raw material suppliers. They can be newly opened cafes, shops, offices, children's centers. If you are ready to play for high stakes, you can aim not only to open a waste paper collection point, but also to start a waste recycling business. We will talk more about the products that such factories produce below. The main business options for the delivery of waste paper. So, garbage collection is both a trend and an urgent need for humanity. Therefore, the state subsidizes, exempts from taxes those companies that take on such an unprestigious job of waste disposal. To get into the niche, first let's look at all the directions that the idea of receiving waste paper as a business can imply. Own waste paper collection point. An excellent option for those entrepreneurs who do not have startup capital. But the opening of a waste paper collection point can also be the first stage in the development of a large processing plant. Therefore, you should not immediately discount this option. To open a point you will need: rent a room for acceptance, warehouse. Hire staff. Buy scales for weighing paper, safe. Rent or purchase a truck to transport raw materials. Sign an agreement with processing companies. The cost of recyclables is determined by the market. We recommend not targeting only companies or individuals only. Work in parallel. Recycling as an auxiliary line of business. The profitability of the niche is 30 to 50%, thanks to which investments in the recycling center pay off in a maximum of 12 months. But no matter how much you can earn on the delivery of waste paper, it is more profitable to organize paper recycling right away. The only question is, what exactly will you produce? Craft paper. Craft paper is widely used as a wrapper for goods. Paper bags, envelopes, business cards are made from it, books are printed on it. The main advantages of craft paper are environmental friendliness, attractive appearance, strength. To start production, only a paper machine is needed. It is served by 3 people. The machine produces large rolls of 2 meters wide, which are best cut and sold at retail. Eco-wool. Production, installation. Modern sound and heat insulating building material. It is durable, virtually non-flammable, and has low toxicity. Starting the production of eco-wool at the same time as developing a waste paper collection point as a business, according to the owners, is quite simple. The only difficulty is the purchase of an automated line capable of grinding recyclables and mixing them with antiseptics and flame retardants. At the final point, the line delivers a fully packaged product. But the installation itself costs about 750,000 rubles, and you will need 2 workers to service it. You can go even further and offer the installation of eco-wool by your own team. This will be an additional source of income for you. Egg packaging. First, evaluate the existing demand. The fact is that large poultry farms make their own packaging for eggs. Accordingly, small farms can become your customers. When you find potential customers, equip your own waste paper collection and recycling point with an automated line. This will bring additional benefits to the business. Toilet paper. The success of an idea directly depends on the level of competition. Therefore, purchase production equipment only after a thorough analysis of the regional market. Most domestic enterprises operate on automated Chinese lines. This is a worthy equipment, but before buying, make sure that the line allows you to expand the range, produce several product options: white, gray, single layer, multi-layer paper. How to start a waste paper collection business. The collection of waste paper and its processing does not require a license, but it is necessary to register as an entrepreneur. Possible options: IP, suitable for a small collection point. LLC is an ideal option for an entrepreneur who is going to develop a processing business and hire staff. To open a limited liability company, an authorized capital is required, in the amount of 10,000 rubles or more. Most domestic enterprises operate on automated Chinese lines. This is a worthy equipment, but before buying, make sure that the line allows you to expand the range, produce several product options: white, gray, single layer, multi-layer paper. How to start a waste paper collection business. The collection of waste paper and its processing does not require a license, but it is necessary to register as an entrepreneur. Possible options: IP, suitable for a small collection point. LLC is an ideal option for an entrepreneur who is going to develop a processing business and hire staff. To open a limited liability company, an authorized capital is required, in the amount of 10,000 rubles or more.